Hey guys, so we'll try with this. I'll give you some video solutions and also some, like some photos of the solutions. Okay, so question one. The geometric series has first term A in common motion R, for the second term the series is 96, and the sum to infinity of the series is 600. So show that, and we've got this quadratic to show. Now what have we got? The second term, so u2 is equal to 96, and it's a geometric, isn't it? So that's AR is equal to 96 using, what are we using there? N is equal to AR to the N minus 1, isn't it? And we're also told that the sum to infinity is 600, so S infinity equals 600, and that means A over 1 minus R is equal to 600, because the sum to infinity is equal to 1 over A over 1 minus R, rather, minus R. So there you go. So it looks like it's going to be simultaneous equations, which is going to be the easiest to work with. I would imagine we substitute for this R. So R is equal to 96 over A. Is it? Ooh, let's have a look. So we're going to get A over, oh no, we want a quadratic in R, don't we? So we want to, we're going to get rid of the A. So A is equal to 96 over R. And then we've got, okay, 96 over R is equal to 1 minus R equals 600. Multiply both sides by 1 minus R. So 96 over R is equal to 600. 1 minus R. I'm going to just simplify that a little bit. 600 minus 600 R times through by R. 96 is equal to 600 R minus 600 R squared. And then hopefully if we divide through by, what's that going to be? So it was 96. 1 minus R. Okay, bring everything to one side. 600 R squared minus 600 R plus 96 equals 0. And then divide through. Yeah, sorry, got it. Divide through. How many times is 25 go into 600? 6 times 4 is 24. If we divide through by 24, we get the result. 25 R squared minus 25R plus 4 equals 0. So that's done. Find the two possible values of R. We solve that. Okay, so B, we solved that. So I guess you can use your calculators. That's going to be the quickest way, isn't it? Can we factorize it? 5. Yeah, I think it factorizes quite nicely. And then 4 and then 1. They're both going to be minus, so equals 0. So you get R equals a fifth, R equals 4. If you're panicking with it, you can use a calculator, but hopefully you can do that by hand. For the larger value of R, so for R equals 4, find the corresponding value of A. Well, we know that A is equal to 96 over R from this, so which is equal to 96 over 4, which we've already done that. Oh no, yeah, 96 over 4 is that 24, isn't it? We have kind of already done that. That's like the opposite of that sum there, isn't it? Find the smallest value of n for which Sn exceeds 599.9. So we got, okay, what is Sn? Sn is, we looked at this in proof the other day, didn't we? A, 1 minus R to the n over 1 minus R, innit? So we want that to be bigger than 599.9. I'm going to get my calculator ready. Might need that. How are we doing for space on the paper? Fine. Okay, so and we know A is equal to 24 and R is equal to 4. So we got 24, 1 minus 4 to the n over 1 minus 4 is bigger than 599.9. Now we just got to be careful here. So that's minus 3, isn't it? If we times, when we times both sides through by minus 3, I'm just going to go up here. I'm just going to carry on up here. We've got to change the inequality, because if you times through by negative, it changes the inequality. So 24, 1 minus 4 to the n is less than, and this is where I'm going to get this guy moved. Is that that's in the picture as well? Lovely. Let's select that. So 599.9 times minus 3 is, let's go decimal, less than 799.7, and we're all in the picture. Lovely. Divide by 24. 1 minus 4 to the n is less than, divide by 24 again, one decimal, minus 74.9875. now I'm going to bring that to this side and that to that side, so we're going to have 4n is bigger than, and then 1 plus that, which is obviously 75. Could have done that probably without the calculator. Right, now here you got, okay, now here you just got to be careful, right? You can take log to the base 4 both sides, but what does that do to the inequality? I don't think it's clear. So what I'm going to do is do log to the base 10, 75.9875 is less than log to the base 10 of 4 to the n. We can use our log powers. Log to the base 10 of, I don't bother writing log to the base, I don't bother writing to the base 10, because if you've got log like that, that's assumed, right? Log to the base 4. Log to the base 4 we know is positive. Why do we know that's positive? Because that's our log graph, isn't it? And it crosses at 1, so 4 is over here somewhere, so it must be positive. And that's really what we're interested in for sine. Okay, 75.9875 over log to the base 4. So n is bigger than that, and then we bang that in the calculator. So log, oh god, what should we say? Log to the base. Where's normal log? Where's normal log on this? All right, well, let's put log to the base 10 in. Answer divided by log to the base 10 of 4, and we get so n is bigger than n is bigger than that, so n is equal to, find the smallest value of n is equal to 4. There we go. And that is question 1.